On today's video, we'll be replacing a toilet supply line. What happens oftentimes is with these plastic supply lines, you can see here just the calcium buildup and the corrosion. Eventually what happens is it starts to eat away at the line, and this is what causes leaking. The second issue that often happens with these supply lines is due to crimping in the lines. Eventually what happens is you'll start to see stress cracks in your supply line, and you want to do everything to avoid this, because once this line shows any signs of cracking, if your supply line is on and there's water pressure coming in, eventually what will happen is that line will burst. So right now we're going to replace the toilet supply line, and we're going to be using this braided metal line, and these are just much more efficient as far as wear and tear over time, and these are generally known to withstand the elements as far as the line staying soft and keeping it from having any issues with stress cracks and or in the future bursting. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the water off to our supply line to the toilet. Now we're going to disconnect our supply line from the base of the fill valve. Move the supply line from the angle stop. Install your new supply line to your angle stop. Go ahead and reattach your supply line to the base of your fill valve. You don't have to over tighten it, just hand tighten should suffice. Don't over torque it because you don't want to crack the fill valve. Once you finish, go ahead and turn your supply light on. You just want to check for any leaks. You want to make sure there's no leaks on the supply line, at the angle stop, or at the base of your fill valve. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.